another school. So now I got Stop! Please, guys. Teach, I'm sorry, it was hard. Excuses come to die. You ain't going anywhere. Please, you failed your test and this is what you get. Please give me another chance.
So just behave.
Please, if you think you can touch her, I will kill you.
For jealousy, I've got no time to play hide and seek. 'Cause eventually he'll surely find me. Have
Same
to
psych.
be brave or better keep behaving.
No.
Till I don't know what
How dare you breathe?
To get away.
Olive, what are you doing?
Well, that's the end. I'll see y'all in the next video.